Hello there. I'm gonna teach you how to keep this GIF kind of thing with like a background wallpaper. It's really simple. You can search any GIF, whichever GIF you want. In my case, I searched up anime GIF. Uh, I chose this one, but just for example, let's go and choose something else. Right. Let's go and choose this Dragon Ball Z. Um, or let's go with this. Okay. What you do is you click save as image. Okay. um, Whatever it is, just save it as .png at the end. The extension should have .png, so go ahead and save it. Okay. And you see this button here, click it. You click upload from device. Okay, and then you choose this one. Here's the .png file that we downloaded. You press this and that's done. It's that simple. Anyways, thanks for watching.